Yo, everybody, good morning. We are trying to get to Nusa Penida today, but it's raining and both probably gonna flying today because it's storm. So hopefully we're gonna arrive and meet a lot of people here, but the rain, very bad. Good thing as this is the brand new harbor, you're not going from the beach like last time when I was there. Let's see. At least with the roof a little bit, but it's really heavy rain today here. But I'm gonna tell you, the rain really, whoa, what's going on? But that's how the people walking here, and the rain in general, yeah. Great weather to going for the island adventure. That's gonna be an adventure for sure. This is how does it look like inside the brand new harbor in Sanur. They're checking everything, cool. Here we go, gates and everything. Bali airport, Bali harbor. So this is the waiting room. As you can see, a little bit crowded, quite a lot of, and that's the weather outside. It's new harbor in general, but yeah, we're gonna get wet, and also the weather is really, you know.
Right, so now we are waiting basically. Due to the bad weather, all the boats are delayed, and they said that we have to wait until the weather, getting better and better. I'm not sure what time we will go.
Maybe none, because the weather was actually bad, but yeah, so many people here. And yeah, this is it.
This is how it is. Actually, people here, see, some people are already sleeping, and it's just like a big chaos. Oh, I feel sorry to the kids also sleeping on the floor.
Our boat's supposed to go at 9, but it's 10 past 10, and check this out, what's going on outside. Actually, this is huge experience today, I gonna tell you. So many people, and the rain starting again.
Nusa Penida. So after 2 hours, our boat was delayed, and it was a very rough time on the boat, and finally we just arrived here and we made it. And now I will show you the place where we staying in Nusa Penida. Check this out. Some of you asking us, where the place to stay whenever you come to Nusa Penida. So today we came here, we stay in one hotel, basically that we came with our friends. So our friends organize everything, where to stay and everything. So yeah, we stay in one bedroom suite villa, yeah, honey?
Suite villa, yeah.
Okay, so this is suite. So this is the room, basically. Nice. This one with the living room overlooking the swimming pool and also the ocean. Basically, I think that you can open the door like this. Nice. This is the swimming pool. And then let's go to the
We are
bedroom.
going like a wrong directions. We should starting from the beginning.
That's okay. I just want to show you. Okay, this is the toilet inside. And where is the shower? And this is the bedroom. Very nice. And
with mosquito net, so shouldn't get a bite, and very nice.
They have a
big windows, right?
Big windows like this. And the thing about the suites is that they have a outside shower like this with the garden.
And the people can see. They said no.
Okay. They said no. But the thing that the reception guy said that because we live in the island, probably the tropical animals can come here like lizard, probably snakes.
Snakes?
Snakes. But because this one, the bush, little bush here, but yeah,
No, but shouldn't be any animals.
shouldn't be any animals.
Yeah, that's
You
the
know.
view. That's the Gamat Bay, I guess.
Yeah.
And Nusa Ceningan and Nusa Lembonan in
Yes,
the
that's Nusa
background.
Ceningan, right, Ani?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
Nusa
is it.
Lembangan.
And the Bali in the background, but this weather is a little bit
Yeah.
cloudy and rainy all day long, actually. So yeah, this is the swimming pool. And basically, this is it. I just want to show you one more time. That's the also sinks and the bathroom, like outside concept, and of course the bed. Just slowly show you mirror and a little living room, like with the sofa. There's TV, also little coffee maker, mini bar, all of the stuff. That's the name of the hotel, actually.
What is it, baby?
And
Oh, they have a drinks,
You
special
wanna drink
drinks.
alcohol, Sayang?
No.
Yeah, they have it. I can get banned from YouTube if I'm showing stuff like this. And
Okay.
then yeah, and this is it. Welcome fruit, and that's the view. That's the sunset spot, by the way. So sunset's
think
supposed to
this-
be there.
I think this one is the adults only resort, right?
I'm not sure, but could be.
Because
Could be.
I didn't see any kids around here, so
No
this
small
one-
kids for
no
sure.
small kid for sure. So yeah,
And
This
it's
is
too
it.
dangerous, I think, for them.
Yeah. So now Damian will show you around from the lobby and the restaurant, probably. So yeah, this is it, the room. Super happy with that.
So that's the property. The villas, they are actually around 40 villas suits. There are a few types around. I'm gonna show you outside a little bit, the restaurant, the bar, swimming pool, stuff like this one. Weather is a little bit rainy. I'm gonna tell you a little bit like, you know, cats and dogs weather, but I really wanna show you around. Pretty nice place. Actually, it's nice. It's a little bit cloudy because it's not that hot. Nusa Penida is usually very hot, but yeah, it's also not that best for filming stuff. But I want to show you. Lucky we will eventually arrive here, by the way. Little bit of view. View is everywhere, actually. Will be better with different weather. Maybe tomorrow will be nice weather. I'm gonna show you because the Bali is in the background, so it should be really nice and sunset. I tried to make a shot. That's like a library here. Here we go. Filming. Hello. Showing a little bit around. This is the lobby situation when we arrive here. Happy view. Hello. Hi. And view obviously everywhere around. Our villa is actually summer here, but our friends staying either there or either there more down. But that's the, how does it look like? Also, that's the restaurant. We had a earlier coffee here, lunch. That's the little restaurant. Not so busy because it's very cozy place. I don't know if they're setting up for all the dinners. That looks very like nice, romantic, I could say, for couples. And the swimming pool situation here. Pool is pretty kind of big, actually, 1.2 meter deep. Not too deep, but nice in general. It's rainy, so of course they cover the beds and everything. But overall, this is it. That's how it looks like. Property 360 degree. And just quickly, also gonna go to the bar. Let's see how's the bar look like. They're preparing for dinner, and then the bar, pool looks shallow, but I'm not swimming too much anyways. That's somebody chilling, and the bar situation here as well. They have a coffee machine, they have a drinks. Pretty, that's it from the property. I promise I will try to make a shot with the better weather, maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow when we check out. We're staying for 2 nights here. Now I'm gonna have a little drive on the motorbike with my friends, because he really wanna have a spin across somewhere in Nusa Penida. Not necessarily he want to be on the camera, they want to be on the camera. Winnie also has to work because it's Friday when we're filming here. He has some Zoom meeting, but overall, yeah. And it's very busy. All the rooms actually sold out because my friends were thinking to book the 2-bedroom villa actually, but sold out. So it's getting busy here, even the weather, but you know, you're not choosing weather if you wanna coming here anyways. So this is Nusa Penida.
Happy birthday, honey! You
Yeah.
are turning 31 today, yeah?
Yeah, I'm not really celebrating birthday, but that's true. Today is 7th July, my birthday, turning 31. So yeah, that's it.
So what do you wish actually that you are turning 31?
Just keep my wishes for myself. However, I just wanted to say thanks so much, guys, for still watching us, our YouTube channel, being with us. That's also already 3 years and 1 month journey, because I started daily vlogs actually 1 month exactly before my birthday 3 years ago. And I'm still doing it, you're still watching, so that's one of my wish. Thank you so much, and let's go explore a little bit. Oh, windy actually. Hope it's not gonna be rainy. One of my wish, nice weather in Nusa Penida for a weekend.
All right, I wish actually you stay healthy, stay being how you are, and stay cool no matter what.
Thank you, Sayong.
I love you.
I love you. Alright, got my ride today. Nmax PCX or something like that, and bought some petrol because it was empty. Still you can buy in Nusa Penida from the bottles like this one from the lovely family in Nusa Penida. You can give them support little bit. That's how they living, by the way, still here. Nice house, the new houses actually nice, and the old one. Oh, and the tourist driving actually. Happy tourist driving in Nusa Penida. Hello. Hi, how you doing? That's it. And the weather. Could be better, but it's still nice. The weather is really not so good, so we just arrived to the Gamad. I mean, like a beach, one of the beach, forgot the name, nearby the hotel. This is usually, if you do the West trip in Nusa Penida, this is the last attraction, those beaches here. Local warungs and the beach itself. I just wanna make a few b-rolls, put the music, and then I will see you in the dinner time in the hotel. It's also, weather is so and it's raining all the time, a little bit, but it's nice to be here, especially right now after 5 p.m. All the one-day trip, day tours, you know, like when you're doing the one-day tours trip, are finished after 5, so it's only people who staying here overnight, so it's the best time actually to visit this place. Sayong, dinner time.
So they have a special dinner time?
It looks so beautiful place today, isn't it? Check this out. I'm gonna show you until it's still not all people arrive. Beautiful flowers and the ambience. There was the Balinese dance previously. There's live band. So cool, so romantic, sayang.
Happy birthday, sayang! This is it! birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.